In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MailerLite to n8n2.app, n8n.cloud. We'll start in your MailerLite account. From the dashboard, open the Integration section. Look for the MailerLite API integration and choose the option to use it. This is where you'll generate the secure key that n8n will use to talk to your MailerLite account. Click Generate New Token. Give your token a clear, memorable name so you know exactly what it's for later, and confirm to create it. As soon as the token appears, copy it right away and store it somewhere safe, like a password manager. You typically only see the full token once, so make sure you don't navigate away before copying it. Treat this token like a password. Don't share it publicly and rotate it if you ever think it might have been exposed. Now switch over to your n8n cloud workspace, such as n8n2, n8n.cloud. In your personal project area, create a new workflow. You'll land on a blank canvas. Open the node selector and search for MailerLite. Select the MailerLite node to add it to your canvas. In the Nodes panel, open the list of available operations and choose Create a Subscriber. This operation will let your workflow add new contacts directly into your MailerLite audience. Before the node can run, you need to connect your credentials. Open the Credentials dropdown and select Create New Credential. Give the credential a descriptive name so you and your teammates recognize it later. In the API key field, paste the MailerLite token you copied from the integrations page. Save the credential to store it securely in n8n. Then in the node, select that saved credential so the MailerLite node knows which account to use. At this point, your MailerLite account is successfully connected to n8n in this workflow. A quick tip: keep credential names consistent across projects.